If one lacks faith in the Dharma, but trusts powerful gods, nagas, or other spiritual systems, then no matter how much faith one might place in them, none of them can protect one from the sufferings of samsara or from the rebirth in lower realms. The great Jigme Phuntsok Rinpoche mentioned, "In my life I always believe the most important things in Buddhism are wisdom, compassion, and faith. Without faith, we will never realize the ultimate meaning of the Buddha's teaching. Without wisdom, we won't distinguish and choose right from wrong amid the endless, intricate, and diverse things in the fast-paced era where science and technology develop rapidly and tirthikas become more rampant. Without compassion, we are not qualified. As Mahayana Buddhists, these three things complement each other, and none is dispensable."